Model, 2013 Renault Kangoo Maxi long wheelbase, LL21 1.5dCi factory crew cab long MOT. Ready to go. Open mouth smile. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 130242. MOT, the 25th of September 2024. Engine, 1461 cc K9K M8 E5. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No lights on the dash. This has been well looked after. First to see will buy. Okay, hand medium light skin tone. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, aircon, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description.